Today I'm going to make a short video about how to prepare a cake, a homemade cake using jiko. And here are my ingredients. There is flour 2 cups. I used dollar. Then there is blue band, of which I used 3 parts, tablespoon, tea ile spoon ya meza, yani tea tablespoon, bora umeshika. And then I'll use baking powder, I'll use lemon, which I'll grate together with turmeric. Then I'm going to do something quite different to my usual cakes. I'm going to use pumpkin leaves. I'm going to blend them. Then 2 eggs. Then I'll use sugar. Then there's a grater to do the grating. And then I'll use these are the tins. I use the big one for mixing, and the smaller ones I'm going to use them also to add colors. Then I will use this blender to blend this into a thick paste, of which I'll add to my flour. Now I'm going to begin. So earlier on I had mixed my flour with baking powder, left it to rest for some time. Then I'll put it aside. I'm back. I'll put sugar to my tin. Then of course I'll add some part of sugar. Then I will take 3 parts of blue band, teaspoon, kijiko ya meza, yeah, that one, tablespoon, then I'll start mixing sugar with blue band until it forms a paste. And when mixing, ensure that the paste, the mixture is already blending, ama imemix vizuri. My paste, and it should be this thick, because if you don't make them to mix well, the sugar will end up melting. The crystals will show up and the sugar will be melting when it's cooking, and that will make your cake not to cook well. And then from there I will be blending my pumpkin leaves, and then while it blends I'm going to beat my eggs. Okay, I said I'm using 2 eggs and I'm beating them. You have to beat them for them to also mix well. And as I'm beating them, my pumpkin leaves are doing good. Then after that, I'm adding eggs. Then I mix them. Add them to the paste and mix them. So when baking, the secret behind baking I learned is you just mix your ingredients very, very well. So you make sure The paste is well mixed. You can use 2 or more eggs depending on the amount of flour you are using, or flour, any. So I use 2 cups of flour, sorry. So that's why I use 2 eggs, and I'm mixing them thoroughly into a paste. Ensure at the end you make the paste. And also I forgot to tell you, among my ingredients I'm also using milk. The milk will come at a later stage when I'm about to place the cake to cook. This is the paste after mixing sugar, eggs and blue band. So it should be this light. And remember, you are not adding milk at the beginning or water. You just mix sugar, milk, sugar, sorry, not milk, sugar, blue band and eggs. Then after that I add my paste after blending. It's pure paste, no additive. So I've added my pumpkin leaves, my blended pumpkin leaves. Then you mix. Then now after mixing, everything is set. Now this is where flour or unga comes in. Then you add your flour bit by bit as you stir well. Remember, you are adding to the mixture of pumpkin leaves, egg, sugar that was thoroughly mixed. So you add, as you add, you stir very well and ensure a good mixture. Remember, the flour, I had kept it for some time after mixing it with baking powder because I'm not using the self-raising flour. Flour, you know, these things came with wazungus. Just trying to catch up with this language, though I have to be a little bit simple because not everybody likes that other not simple language. So just ensuring that everybody is benefiting from all this. So I'm still adding and mixing, adding and mixing. That's the fun bit of it. You add and mix, add and mix. When baking, remember, you mix very well for good results. So it is good when you learn something from other people, you try and teach others. In life, we are all in school of life and we are learning day by day. It's not hard. Just make it simple. Tell your mind you can do it and you will do it. So as you continue adding, you will also find yourself increasing your energy when mixing. So it is also part of exercise. So on your paste, you grate lemon, one lemon is enough to use. I grated lemon and added to the paste. Now I want to make a lighter paste. This is where milk comes in. You add a little bit as you stir. A little bit as you stir to get a lighter paste. Remember, a very thick paste won't work, and also a very light paste. So ikue hapo katikati, there between. So you keep adding your milk. Your paste should be not that thick and not that light. It should be medium. Then on my 2 plates, I made a paste of flour, baking powder, then added grated turmeric to then mix them. Then on the other end, I used the same paste. I divided the paste into 2, then mixed with chocolate. So I'll use this for decoration. So I hope the turmeric will make a difference on the very green paste, though I'm not sure about that. So after mixing, I don't like the turmeric being so fine. Prefer it that way. Then you oil your sufuria, or you blue band, or you kupaka the blue band on your sufuria. Then this is how you drop your paste at the center or middle. I'm using jiko, now setting my jiko, using the kichuma ya gas, the gas chuma. I preheat the old metallic pan, put there, preheat it, then I'll come to place my baking sufuria on top of it. So this is how you place the cake. Somebody is helping me to decorate. That's my sister. And when she teaches you something, you must learn by force. So watch keenly on what she's doing. She started with the chocolate one, then the yellow one, chocolate, yellow, chocolate. Now doing the yellow one. Again, she goes to the chocolate one. until all the paste is done. Chocolate, yellow one. Then finally chocolate one. I think she's done. Okay, she's adding a small kadogo. Now from here, let's see what next. Her magic. Oh, it is drawing. So you can decorate your cake using anything, any format. I think the decorating is being done from a side. That's the decoration. Then I usually cover on top of it with a nylon paper so that when it's cooking and I'm tempted to check, I don't tamper with the pressure within the cake. I just check through the paper. Then you just place your paper that way, then you put your mabati like that. And from there, your curly oven has already preheated. We place it there. Just ensure the other parts of the paper are not affected. Just ignore them. Then the top and place some how the inside looks like. Just cutting a piece. I am cutting a piece. Let us see our cake. That's our dear cake. So our pumpkin leaves cake. You can use any other fruit instead of the pumpkin. You can use the mango, any other thing, any other good fruit, good for you, you can do it. So thank you, good people. Subscribe to my channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you so much.